went to my factory and just get new toy or new piece for my workshop. It's a universal circle grinding machine, and model of it is a 3-key 12M, and it looks like so for now, and I hope I will fix it and I will use it. It should wash a little bit. So, and for it, here we can see a hydraulic unit. This is electrical part. Oops. And this is a spindle oiling unit and box for coolant. So, I hope I make more videos about this machine. So, thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.